isa sa rason nga nag-early ang atong orientation.
So, hindi excited now? Excited? Okay. Secret and good news. Okay. At this point, we will now proceed to an important part. One of the most important part of the program. Understanding the graduation clearance process to guide us through the completion of
Clearance, di siya kainali. Ayan ang request form. Dito makadto sa authorization.
Let's call on our CAO Finance and Director for Finance, Ma'am Kuya Stella. Pagkakalakay, hindi nyo mas kakapilitan ng kami orientation was. Diba? Okay, thank you Ma'am Kuya for that transparent information. Relations, related activities, conduct and
So, the conferment of Latin Honor shall be officially determination for the graduating students. Tomorrow naman is ang sa inyong parents. I-inform ninyo June 1. Check Tommy sa June 1. Bakong. Yes. Pwede nila siya namunan ninyo. So, right after